are going to love the 2020 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.